Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I have another video in my coloring series, and today I'm going to be coloring these adorable lawn fawn skunks that come with the Scent with Love and Scent with Love add-on stamp sets, as well as a few little treats and goodies such as from the Milk and Cookie stamp set and the So Smooth stamp set, which includes a lot of those little fruits that you see. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the coloring. As I go along, I'm going to be writing out the names of the Copic markers that I'm using in black marker, and they're also going to pop up on the screen in the top left corner as I use them, so you can sort of keep track of the colors as I go in case you want to try these color combinations on your own. Like I mentioned in my last video, I am mostly going to just be playing some music while I color so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the coloring process. This time, as the video progresses, you might see a few little tips and tricks pop up on the bottom of the screen just to give a few hints about my coloring process as I go as well. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you're enjoying these coloring videos, and you will see these images popping up in a card very soon, so stay tuned. So thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.